Hello, dear subscribers. Hope you all are doing great. A warm welcome to our YouTube channel. Here we upload amazing facts related to food, technology, psychology, horror, and many others. Enjoy the facts and share it with your friends and family. Also, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Keep supporting. Harrowing X-ray reveals a tear gas canister that tragically became embedded in a protester's brain during anti-government protest in Iraq in 2019. A pink pigeon was spotted roaming on street in UK's Manchester. Egyptian pharaoh Tutankhamun's 3,300 years old sandals. Elephants frequently live with their grandmothers who play essential roles in leaderships and nurturing within their families. The first chocolate bar was created by Mayans. The vocabulary of an average person consists 5,000 to 6,000 words. The weight on a mother's shoulders created into a piece of artwork. George Bernard Shaw is the only person to win both a Nobel Prize and an Oscar. From the year 1962 to 2006, the FIFA World Cup was won alternately by the South Africans and Europeans. If you stop getting thirsty, you need to drink more water, for when a human body is dehydrated, its thirst mechanism shuts off. Bananas float in water because they are less dense in comparison. A Chinese artist vacuumed up Beijing's air for 100 days and made a brick from what he collected through air. The lifts of Eiffel Tower travel a combined distance of 103,000 kilometers a year, 2.5 times the circumference of the Earth. In Antarctica, a fridge would actually warm your food instead. Apples can help you improve your memory. Apples contain high levels of boron, which stimulates electrical activity of the brain and increases mental alertness. In the next 30 seconds, you will on average produce 72 million red blood cells, shed 174,000 skin cells, and have 25 thoughts. If you play dead in order to kill or capture an enemy in a war scenario, you are committing a war crime according to Geneva Convention. Harry Houdini once escaped from the inside of the belly of a whale. He also used to do sponsored stunts such as escaping barrels full of company's beer. The Trop, the rarest motorcycle in the world, was found behind a brick wall in Chicago in 1968 and still runs to this day. The device inside of a microwave that emits microwaves is called a magnetron, and it emits radio waves between 3,000 and 30,000 MHz. In the Philippines, they broke world record after planting 3.2 million trees in just 1 hour. CAR T-cell therapy is a treatment for specific blood cancers. It involves modifying a patient's immune cells to better fight cancer in a lab and then putting them back into the patient's body to attack and destroy cancer cells. Great white sharks almost always die when they are kept in captivity. It is debated why some people suggest that the electricity in the building mess with the shark's electrosensory system. Sometimes dogs, wolves in movies need CGI tails because they're so excited to be doing a good job acting that they can't stop wagging it. In 2013, a man tried to dribble a football from Seattle to Brazil to promote a charity. He lost his life after he was run over by a truck just 250 miles into his 10,000-mile trip. This is Japanese radish. One singular Japanese radish provides enough energy to walk 28 steps. If you are living somewhere that does not allow tasers or pepper spray, a great alternative are personal alarm keychains. They are extremely loud when activated and draw so much attention, and that they usually scare off the would-be attacker instantly. Bloodhound have the best nose for smelling out of any dog. They can track a scent from 130 miles away even if the scent is 300 hours old. South Korean adults are buying stones as pets to combat loneliness and fatigue. The COVID 19 pandemic has increased their popularity. People talk to the stones, carry them on walks, and find comfort in them amid high levels of stress and burnout. The random feeling of having insects crawling on you is called formication. Static electricity can attract particulates to the skin and can also cause body hair to move, giving the feeling like insects are crawling over the skin. Tomato plants emit distress signals through small openings in their leaves called stomata when under attack. However, some caterpillars can use the chemicals in their saliva to silence them. If you take the length of a river divided by the length from the start to the end, on average you will get the value of pi 3.141. This is because the actual length of the river versus the distance the river covers is as the crow flies an arc. Men with light stubble to full beards appear to be 25% to 50% more attractive to women, according to research published in the Journal of Evolutionary Biology. Honeycrisp apples are expensive because they are so high maintenance they demand a specific soil, ripen at various times, must be harvested by hand and needs a trellis to support their delicate branches. Some rare facts about world population. The world's population is growing by 1.10% per year or approximately an additional 83 million people annually. The World Population Day is a United Nations initiative celebrated on the 11th of July every year. World Population Day, which seeks to focus attention on the urgency and importance of population issues, was established by then the Governing Council of the United Nations Development. World's top 10 populous countries. Thanks for watching.